So, you just bought a brand new Harley, and within 5 minutes of riding it, you're already thinking about changing the parts. But then comes the question every new Harley owner runs into. What can I do to my machine without violating the warranty? And this is where a lot of new Harley owners get nervous because, well, Harley's one of the most customizable bikes you'll find on the road today. But modern bikes are way more tied into electronics, emission systems, and dealer warranties than they ever have been before. And more importantly, these upgrades are one you're gonna feel every time you take the bike out for a ride. The first upgrade most Harley riders should seriously consider, and you've heard this from us a bunch of times lately, is upgrading their seat. Stock seats are meant to work for a wide range of riders, which means they're just okay at just about everything. But after an hour or two, pressure points start showing up, your lower back starts tightening, and you constantly shift around trying to get comfortable. That's where something like the Saddlemen Step-Up Seat changes that immediately. The stepped support keeps you planted better during acceleration. The shape improves posture, and the foam setup holds up much better on longer rides. Most importantly, you're not touching tuning, electronics, engine components, none of that. You're just upgrading the comfort of the bike, which means you're not going to violate a warranty. The next category most newer Harley riders underestimate is the lighting. A lot of stock headlights are fine until you do a real night ride. Then you realize visibility drops fast, corners feel darker, and traffic feels less predictable. Something like a Custom Dynamics Pro Beam LED headlight gives you a wider beam pattern, cleaner light output, and better visibility overall. But honestly, the biggest change you're gonna notice is gonna be in your confidence because you're gonna see further ahead, riders are gonna notice you coming at them, and the night is just gonna feel a lot more safe. And again, this is so simple to change out that you're going to be improving something without affecting riding systems and thus violating warranty. This might be the most underrated Harley upgrade on the list that doesn't violate a warranty, and that's swapping out your suspension. A lot of newer riders think that suspension upgrades are only for aggressive riding, and that's just not true. Good suspension changes comfort, stability, bump control, and overall ride feel. Something like the Legend Suspension Revo A, which they make a wide range that fit many different models, is going to immediately smooth out the road and make you feel a lot more under control, especially on longer rides. The bike feels more planted, less harsh, and more predictable over broken roads. And importantly, you're improving ride quality. You're not messing with any of that warranty junk, so you should be safe for any kind of warranty violations here. At the end of the day, the best Harley upgrades aren't gonna be the ones that are the most expensive or the most flashy. No, they're gonna be the ones that make you feel good every single time you throw your leg over the bike. And at DennisKirk.com, we got tons of products that'll fit your Harley that aren't gonna violate the warranty and take it up a notch for you as you get out there on your brand new bike. So head on by, shop around, and we'll see you at checkout.